Welcome everybody to this new video that explains how to find the bearing. It says a plane flies from A to C and covers 510 kilometers, then from C to B and covers 720 kilometers, and angle ACB, this angle in between, is 40 degrees. Here you can see this point that the bearing of C from A, the bearing of C from A. What does it mean from A? We have to go together to the point A and draw the north direction of A. And when I say the bearing of C from A, that means from the north of A clockwise until we go to the line, to the path that takes us to C. So this is called the bearing of C from A. This angle is given as 135. The bearing of C from A is 135. Again, when I say the bearing of C from A, we care about what's after from. From A, that means from the north direction of A, go clockwise until the path that takes you to C. This is the bearing of C from A. It's given 135. Find the bearing of B from C, of C from B. Okay, take it easy. When they ask you find the bearing of B from C, we care about the second point first, from C. What does it mean? Go to the point C, actually to the north direction of C, clockwise until you end up with the line or the path that takes you to B. So this is the bearing of B from C. This is what they ask us to find. Okay, so to find all this angle, remember some things, some basics, that this is a north direction and this is a north direction. North directions, these two north directions are parallel lines, and between them is a transversal. This angle here inside and this angle here inside, both of them are between the parallel lines and both of them are above the transversal. These two angles are called allied angles. And what does it mean? That means they add together to 180. So this angle is 135 plus this angle here. Together they should give us 180 allied angles. So this angle here is 45, first of all. If you look at, let us change the color. If you look at point C here, this line here on point C, look at it. It's a horizontal line and here's a vertical line. The second question was find the bearing of B from C. I said from C, from the north direction of C, clockwise until you end up with the line or the path that takes you to B, to find the bearing of B from C. So you need to know all this angle, the size of all this angle. Okay, I know that here the angle is 90 between the north and east, and between the east and south also is 90, and between the south and west also is 90. So these three 90s add to 270, and we need to know this small part. What is it? It's not difficult if you understand that this is the west and this is the north. Also the angle between them is 90. Okay, we already know that these two together is 85. 45 plus 40, 85. So what's remaining? The small part here, this small angle here, should be equals to 5 degrees. So if you want to find the bearing of B from C, from the north direction of C, clockwise until the path that takes you directly to B, you are adding 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 5, which is 275 degrees. And the second one is find the bearing of C from B. Okay, from B. Okay, from B, so we have to go to B, the north direction of B, clockwise. If you say until here, this path takes you to the point A, so this is called the bearing of A from B. Actually, they want you to find the bearing of C from B, not of A from B. So this is of A until here. So I don't need to stop here. I have to continue clockwise, I think, until here. Let us see until here. If you look at it here, we end up with this line. This path takes us to the point C. So this is called the bearing of C from B. C from B. Okay? You just need to know what's the value of this angle. Do you agree that this is a north direction and this one also is a north direction, and the line that joins them together is the transversal? So this angle here and this angle here between the parallel lines and the transversal, these two angles here are allied. What does it mean? They add together to 180. Okay, if you look at this angle together here, from the north, the transversal, the north, this angle here is 85. So what's remaining to 180? It's 95. So this angle, all of it here is 95 degrees. The whole angle is 95 degrees. So the bearing of C from B, if you wrote 95, it's wrong. You have to write it 0.95 degrees. From it's a 3-digit number. Okay. The second question is calculate the size of AB. Show it's 464.7. AB, this length, this side is in a triangle where you know two sides. You know the value of AC and BC, these two sides, and the included angle. So you have to use the cosine rule to find AB. You'll say the AB equals square root of 510 square plus 720 square minus 2 by 510 by 720 cosine 40, the included angle. You will find that AB gives you the same value, 464.7. The second question is find the size of angle ABC. Where is ABC? ABC. ABC, they mean this angle here, ABC. ABC. How can we find this angle ABC? It's unknown, ABC. This angle here is unknown. How can we find it? Okay, this angle is opposite to this side, and this angle here, 40, is opposite to this side. But actually, do we know what's the length of AB? Yes, AB, here is it. AB, the value of AB is 464.7. 464.7. If you look at this is a side and this is the opposite angle, side, opposite angle, cross, it's a sine rule. So you'll say sine ABC over 510 equals sine 40 over 464.7, and you do the cross multiplication until you end up with ABC equals sine inverse of this, and the calculation ends up with 44.9. Thank you for watching.